All right, so we left off right here with percentiles. Again, percentiles show what percentage is below you. And of course, we've seen percentiles before. Hold on. Oh, and I pulled up a Yao Ming image. There you go. So there's a poor guy, and look how much taller he is than the rest of them. And there he was at the Olympics. This is a very small child, and he's extremely tall. Sorry, back to what I was doing. All right, percentile graphs. So these the kind of graphs that they show. This is the growth chart for boys with Down syndrome, right? You can see there's the 10th percentile line, the 25th percentile line, and so on. I mean, there's just tons and tons and tons of these graphs. I mean, they're and there's charts as well, right? All sorts of stuff. Okay, so what are those graphs showing us? Good question. All right, so remember that what a percentile is if you score in, let's say, the 70th percentile, then there's 70% are below you. All right, so let's read this. At a certain community college, it was found that the 30th percentile of credits that students are enrolled in is 7 units. Interpret the 30th percentile in the context of the situation. So if you are a student at that community college who is enrolled in 7 credits, roughly 30%, 30 of students are enrolled in that many or less credits, if that makes sense. So you are enrolled in about the same number of credits as 30% or less of the students. No, wait, I said that wrong. You are enrolled in 7 credits, so 30% of the student body is enrolled in that many or less. That makes sense? All right. What about the median? The median is the middle score, right? So that automatically means it's the 50th percentile, right? Has to be, because the median's the middle, half of them are below and half of them are above. All right, so the following ogive, remember from section 2.3, is the ages at inauguration of U.S. presidents. Bill Clinton was 46 when inaugurated. Approximately what percentile was he in? All right, so let's look for his age. His age at inauguration is 46, so that's right about there. So you go up, and you see where it hits. Here, let me insert a drawing here. Okay, so 46 is like right. Actually, that's a little bit far over here. There we go. All right, so then where did it hit? It hit right there. So what value is that? Okay, well, this is 12. 6 would be about the halfway mark. It looks like 8 to 10-ish, somewhere in there. I mean, you're just eyeballing it. It's not perfect. So, oops. Roughly, let's go with 10. 10. All right, what does that mean? That means that, which means that about 10% of presidents were age 46 or less when inaugurated. I spelled that right. All right. So about 10% are about his age or less, which means, of course, 90% are more than him, right? All right. And you remember these graphs, I know you do, from section 2.3. Everybody loved them back then, right? All right. And, of course, when you look at these graphs up here, what you're looking at is more than one of those graphs. They've got an ogive for different things, right? Okay. Like different heights, different weights, different ages, different whatever. Okay. All right, what about quartiles? Well, quartiles are the special percentiles. They're the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, and the 75th percentile. And when you think about it, 25, 50, 75, that divides the data set into 4 equal parts, i.e. 4 quarters. Get it? Quarters, quartiles. So let me type that up. Hold on. There we go. Q2 is the 25th, Q3 is the 75th, Q2 is the 50th, and Q1 is the 25th.